I started with Henry Fayol's 14 Principles of Management, completed that today, and even created a trick to remember them. I will surely provide you that video on this topic and will help you out in your preparation. These principles were actually asked in last year's, maybe last year's examination of RBI Grade B. I also typed 100-word answer on that, attended half of my mains lecture class on time and work, but economy revision still pending. And I thought I would nail 8 hours of study with a timer, but nope. I did get through a finance lecture on inflation part 1 with YouTube and ChatGPT. Learn a lot of things about inflation, what are the causes, maybe demand and supply. And one more thing which I learned is the type of inflation, how to control inflation. I also learned, and I'm very happy to share with you that I learned something new today. And we have three types of inflation: hyperinflation, galloping inflation, and walking inflation. And I'm not the teacher to I'm not the teacher to teach you, but I am sharing what I learned in this mini series, and we'll dive deeper tomorrow about inflation. Also picked up some vocab from an editorial and an English series on Netflix. Yeah, I started the series to improve my English, but thing is I'm totally hooked. It's a mix of comedy, suspense and romance and thriller, and it's a dubbed in English, originally Korean. I know. It's not exactly relevant to my study. The Koreans sure know how to create unrealistic imaginary situation that real people like in me. But I have got a solution. I'll make watching the series a reward for completing my tasks on time. I'll add it to my to-do list for last. Like if I finish 80% of my work, I'll watch an episode or maybe two episode. Gives me a sense of accomplishment. And also I want to share that I got a job recently, balancing work and studies one day at a time. Yeah, it's a big achievement. These are my rough notes, super helpful for me. Maybe not for you since they are pretty personalized. I made them using ChatGPT content and video lectures. Whenever I need to learn something, I just refer back. With that thought, I made these kind of notes. And my assumption about management is that management is all about theories. And if I conquer management, that's the win situation. I have to learn a lot of theories, then it will work. And I also typed an answer. Let me show you the answer. And that is really unrealistic. I did a mistake. There are 5 key functions of management, but I mentioned here there are 5 key principles of management. That this is a huge blunder. After memorizing this answer maybe n number of times and making the trick, still made a mistake like that. And I am documenting it so that in future when I got my nerves and I'm able to write 400 words, then I'll make myself proud. Oh, I did these kind of blunders in my answer writing practice, and now I'm able to write 400 and 600 words, like this kind of motivation, you know. So yeah, this is all about my day. And wait, this is the maths lecture I did today. So bye guys.